Why hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Somehow miraculously, I got all that stuff I got at liquidation listed. Well, most of it, not everything, but the exciting stuff is all listed. I do always link my eBay store in my description if anyone's curious and wants to check those items out. And if you make me an offer and let me know you're a YouTube subscriber, I of course will give you my very best deal. But because I got most of it listed, I decided to go thrifting again, and yes, you guessed it, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. This time I went to a couple of thrift stores I don't usually go to. Also, as a side note, TJ goes back to work today, unfortunately. So he has had the best, longest paternity leave ever. And I'm just gonna have to figure out how to do this with a baby. We're just gonna have to figure it out. It's gonna be interesting.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Good morning, everybody. By the way, if any of you are not following me on Instagram, you might want to if you're interested in like extra lots of new with tags items, because occasionally I will drop them there. Especially when I'm slightly overwhelmed with inventory, which happens when I'm buying huge bulk pallets. I'm not gonna reward myself with Chick-fil-A or a food treat today, but if I can find over $1,000 of stuff to resell, I'm gonna call that a win, and I'll get myself a Diet Coke and a cookie. Does that sound good? I don't know. I think that sounds good to me. Right off the bat, I find this Avec Le Fille. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly. It was only $3, and this is a brand sold at Anthropologie. Their stuff retails between like $80 and $160. Their jackets clearly do better than their blouses, but for $3, I thought it was an easy pickup. Logo by Lori Goldstein is actually a fashion brand sold exclusively on QVC. And when I've picked it up in the past, it's sold decently well. It's well known for like their comfort wear, cozy, oversized things. So that generally does well in my eBay store. Grabbed it for just a couple bucks. Wildfox is a brand that's sold at Nordstrom. They're known for like cozy sweatshirts and sweaters, oversized with like funny graphic prints on them. Retail for like over $100 generally, so I picked this up for just a few dollars. It should sell pretty quickly in my store. I like picking up Nike leggings, especially when they're at a really good price, and these were. These have like a fun print on them. I do go for the full-length leggings over the crops. Same with these Solomon leggings. Solomon's a brand sold like on REI. Retails for a lot. It's very popular with the activewear community, outdoor community. Then I saw this Fubu Jersey, and the tag at the bottom said 1992, so this is vintage. And Fubu was founded by Damon John, who you might know from Shark Tank.
Tracy, I'll give you $50,000 for 30%.
Come on, of course.
Well, look at that.
Then I grabbed this Levi's jacket. These tend to do really well for me. It has the 4 pockets, a quilted interior, heavy duty. That was kind of a disaster, you guys. I'm always so disappointed when I can't find anything good. I got a few things, but I don't have any cell reception in there, so I'm not able to like look stuff up if I'm interested in something and I don't know comps. So I probably picked up a couple things on instinct that I shouldn't have. Anyway, on to one more thrift store, and then I need to head home. Let's just hope this one fares better than the last one. This store's called Be More Thrifty. Had never been here before, so it was a new adventure. By the way, does anyone ever accidentally open their front-facing camera when they're checking comps? And for the rest of the day, I just wondered how TJ married me. I'd never heard of this brand before, but it looked and felt nice, and I figured let's just look up some comps. One of the sides of the shoe was in a different language, but on the other side it said Tomo. And when I looked up comps, I saw that these retail for like between $100 and $165. I lucked out by feeling the fabric and the tag still being there. This is Lululemon, and in a great size too, a 2XL. It's like a pullover polo. Then another Lululemon, so somebody clearly donated multiple pieces of Lululemon. And third time is the charm. I found a third Lululemon polo, this one also in a 2XL, and it was only $3.75. All of these tops were really cheap. This Hurley snapback in really good condition, looked to be kind of vintage, just $3. So this thrift store was priced really fairly. I don't sell a lot of snapbacks, but I looked up comps and picked this up just because comps looked decent. These jeans felt extremely nice. That's what made me pause and look a little closer. It's a brand called Roker? I don't know. I think they're German. The website shows the prices in euros, so I did a quick Google conversion, and these retail for $450. That's crazy. The Levi's silver tabs that I picked up at the Goodwill outlet sold for $45 in like 2 days. So that was all the evidence I needed to pick up these silver tab shorts. All right, TJ's gonna help me add up everything that I got today. I spent about $125 on everything. So this is like a men's Lulu XL hoodie, but like a lightweight pullover. I think this will sell for like 40 bucks. So off to a good start. And then
wait, what do you pay for these? Like,
let's see, between $3 and $5 for each.
All right.
Yeah, they was pretty cheap, really cheap. And then 2 Lululemon 2XL pullovers, which is a great size. Super excited to find that. Got a couple of...
What were the pullovers worth?
Oh, these are probably like 35 bucks each.
Nice.
Yeah, because it's a good size. I think that's gonna help sell them. A couple of graphic tees. I don't know, they just kind of looked cool. 15 bucks each. Levi's silver tab cargo shorts, vintage. These should sell for like 30 bucks. This is a snowboard brand called Candy Grind. Has a cool pattern on it. Couldn't resist. Here's the logo. I think this will sell for like 40 bucks. Okay.
Nice.
These are some Lululemon 38 tall, like golf pants. They're not like activewear material, they're like a cotton chino. I think these will sell for like $40. Good old Lulu, pulling through. Some Athleta leggings, 20 bucks, let's say, for that. And then a Sunday in Brooklyn, this is Anthropologie, it's like a braided vest. I'm guessing like 25 for that. A Levi's men's full zip 4-pocket, like heavy duty military green jacket. I think this will sell for like $40. I did pay up. I paid like $11 for it. I know.
Maybe it has stuff in the pockets.
Is there? I've never found money in pockets.
There's a lot of pockets in that jacket.
There are. I don't. Okay. It was kind of dry. So that's why, like, when it's dry and I'm not finding a lot, like at the first thrift, I'll start picking up things that I don't normally pick up. And I know that that's just a cry for desperation. So.
Wait, let me guess. LuLaRoe.
No, my gosh,
okay,
never.
Phew.
Doesn't matter how desperate I am.
Phew.
Logo Lori Goldstein. I've sold her tops in the past. This will probably sell for like $15. These are good. This is an activewear brand called Solomon. I love picking up Solomon because it's like a high-end trail running, ultra running, outdoor gear brand. Really popular with like outdoor enthusiasts. These leggings should sell for like 50 bucks.
Oh,
yeah.
Nice.
So that was a fun find. I feel like Tej, you'll know this. What brand?
Fubu.
Fubu, and
For us, by us.
This is vintage, 1992.
Wait a minute. I was
like
about to
Jersey.
say that was, if you had that in junior high, you were rich and cool.
Right?
So
it was pretty cool. Yeah. So this sells for like 30 bucks, but I thought that was too fun. So at this thrift, I know, at this thrift also I didn't have any cell reception, so I made some guesses because I couldn't look things up on my phone. So I had to rely purely on knowledge, which I don't know everything, so it was hard. This brand is an Anthropologie brand. I'm gonna butcher the name. Avec les filets. I'm sure that's like French or something. It is like a polka dot blouse, probably 25 bucks. Some Nike graphic leggings. I thought these were kind of cute and fun. 20 bucks for that. These are some Adidas. The material felt really nice. Adidas collab Parley. What should I go? Crop leggings. A sold comp on eBay showed me that these are worth like $35. Wildfox sweater sold at Nordstrom. I like picking up Wildfox. Doesn't sell for a ton these days, but is a decent flip for like, I don't know, 30 bucks. A men's Polo Ralph Lauren double XL big shirt. It is cotton. It's got the full color pony on the front, which is a good thing. I think I could sell this for like 35 to 40.
nice.
Especially because it's in that double XL size.
A lot of bread and butter.
A lot of bread and
This is
butter,
good
a lot
stuff.
of basic stuff that I like selling because it flips pretty quickly.
I just feel you were so spoiled last time.
I was so spoiled and it ruined me.
I'm ruined.
We're all ruined.
Now I don't even know how to look, I would have been stoked out of my mind at 40 and 50 bucks all day.
No.
Now I'm just Now I'm just ruined.
It's not $2,000. It's garbage. All of this is trash. So this is a brand called Kronstadt.
Yeah, I would have passed
Okay.
right over.
Okay, well, it's sold at Marshall's for $7.99, so I'm super dumb.
The tag says $8.
I don't know why I picked this up.
That's
okay,
funny.
but I picked it up, didn't see the Marshall's tag.
Oh gosh.
Okay,
that's
can I
funny.
just I was really flustered in there because the ladies at the front were like, did you see that lady with the GoPro? And I was like, oh no.
Uh-oh.
I was like, I started to flush, I was embarrassed, and I was really flustered, and I grabbed, I think, this out of
Then you go and get
I
yourself
don't know
a
what to do.
Kronstadt. That's...
Well, okay, wait. But comps on eBay looks to be like 20 bucks. So I paid $3 for it. That's not bad. This Hurley hat. This looked really cool. It has like the American flag on the bottom. I don't pick up snapbacks super often, but I do see a listing on eBay for like $30 for the same one. It's I think it's vintage. Some Dolce Vita suede flats, slip-on like loafers. They're in really good condition. Dolce Vita is sold at Anthropologie, and I think I could sell these for like at least 25. These are golf shoes, and I found these at the second thrift that was like a super random hole in the wall. Like when I looked up the brand Tomo, I saw all these listings for like $200-300. So I was like, what? But I think these retail for $100 and resell for like $75.
That's
so it's
a great pickup.
A good find. Okay.
Nice.
Here are the big winners though.
Wait, there's
Wait,
more.
there's two big winners here.
I thought you already saved the best for last.
I
with the
did not.
Tomos. Holy cow. Okay.
I might have a...
Should I put my seatbelt on?
Put it on. Okay, so have you heard of this brand? Or why do I ask TJ? I don't know. Okay, but wait, I think it's
Roker. Al Roker?
like... No.
Is that his personal brand?
I almost didn't look up comps for these, but they felt really heavy. And I was like, okay. I'm seeing comps between $200 to $400.
No!
I'm not kidding.
Really?
These are like motorcycle jeans, I guess.
Sold,
$200 to $400.
sold
comps.
Sold
$200 to
comps.
$400. And
No wonder he quit the Today Show. His pant brand is taken off. Holy cow. He didn't have to be a weatherman anymore.
wait, and I found 2 pairs of them. So I found a black pair.
No way!
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, and these ones have like a mesh,
Wow.
like a mesh lining. So I think these are actual like motorcycle jeans. I could get like $200 per pair of these.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that's exciting.
All right.
Okay, so my goal, I didn't tell
Nice.
TJ this, what my goal was in the beginning. My goal was that if I got over $1,000 in sales, I could get myself a Diet Coke and a cookie. Did I hit it?
Let me crunch the numbers. Control Shift down. $9.99.
No, you're joking.
Oh my gosh, you were so close.
Shut up.
Oh well. Good
What
try.
was it? What did I do?
$11.25.
Yay!
You
okay,
did it.
that's so exciting because I was only gone for a few hours.
And I only put 200 on the rockers, low end, you know.
Yeah, well, I hope that they sell for 200. I think that, I mean, yeah, comps are
Could
like
be more.
between 2
wow,
and 400.
congratulations.
So fun.
Good job. That's awesome.
Thanks, babe. Anyway, thanks so much, you guys, for joining me today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all kinds of content about finding things to sell online. Take care, guys, and I will catch you next time.